Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful turban. So I'm making use of the length 26 inches and the width 13 inches. So I'm going to fold and sew this place that I'm tracing with the chalk. Take it to your machine and sew. Then after sewing, I'm going to turn it over, and then I find midpoint, that's the center of each of the fabric. So watch attentively and practice also. So here I'm going to use my needle and thread to run a stitch at that midpoint, at that center of the two fabric. And then I'm going to show you how I will create that cross or twist in front of the cap. So pay attention and learn. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Like, drop your comments and share this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for always watching. So watch carefully what I'm doing. I'm going to sew this part, and I'm also going to sew this other part. And after sewing, you will have it this way. Can you see that? And also I'm also going to sew this part. Pay attention and learn. This is one of the easiest turban to make. And so I'm going to close up the back. Close it up. Good. And can you see that? Can you see the twist in the front? We have achieved that. So cut off the thread, and then at the back of your turban you gather the back of it. And that is simply how to achieve this turban. You can see that it's very easy to achieve. So get your fabric, practice. So thank you so much for joining this class. Thank you so much for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. See you in my next video.